Welcome back to the SGS Automotive channel. Good afternoon, or depending on when you're watching, it could be good morning or good evening. My name's Daryl and today we've got something a little different. We have a product review on the SMUL Luxury Car Air Freshener. We're going to take a closer look, put it through its paces and give you our honest thoughts. So let's get into it. Let's face it, your car may look the part, but does it smell the part? Today, we're taking a look at the SMUL Luxury Car Air Freshener. The team at SMUL recently got in touch and asked if we'd be interested in checking it out, using it in our own vehicle and sharing our honest thoughts. We obviously said yes. So let's open the box, see what it comes with and find out if this little luxury lives up to its name. So let's get the box open. Right on top is an installation card. It's got some instructions on how to insert the pods and it's a nice little touch, especially if it's your first time using one of these. Underneath we've got the diffuser itself, and first impressions, it's got a metal feel, it's nice and heavy and it feels premium. SMUL branding is neatly placed on the top and the entire body is made from metal. The front part is plastic, but the entire body and the clip is metal, and that's a good sign when it comes to quality. The back is magnetic, so you can insert your pods nice and easily and then just magnet the back on. Below the diffuser we have a little false floor, and then we have the 3 scent pods that are included in the starter pack. We have cologne, we have cherry, we have essence, and we actually have a fourth, we have Seren. So violet, lotus, honey, tuberose and amberwood in the Seren. The essence is lost scent, jasmine, sage, lavender and vanilla. The cherry is leather, cherry, patchouli and tonka bean. I've probably butchered the patchouli pronunciation. And cologne, which is Sicilian citrus, amberwood, sandalwood and bergamot. Now the packets themselves have a rainbow foil look, which is always something I've liked. And on this one, I know you used to get 3, but we have got 4 scents in the starter pack. I'm not sure whether you get 4 in every starter pack or whether they've just put an extra one in for our review. We are going to open each pack and see what they smell like. So the cologne, literally that one smells like, to me, a men's cologne. So it's a very nice smell. It's not for everybody, but if you like that kind of smell, then that one will work really well. And the cherry one, that one does remind me of just standard cherry air fresheners. So if you like a fruity flavour, something a little bit less cologne smelling and something just more natural and fruity, then the cherry one could be for you. Seren, let's have a smell at this one. That one seems a little bit more mild. That's probably the least favourite of them so far for myself. And we'll have a smell at the essence. Yep, the essence one again smells a little bit possibly like a fabric conditioner. So fresh linen on the washing line kind of smell. Again, the Seren and essence maybe really for some people, but not massively for me. I like, as a favourite, probably the cherry, because I've always liked fruity flavoured air fresheners, and then the cologne being a close second. So So I'm going to run with the cherry in my vehicle when we install it. So let's take the scent pods out. I best have a quick look at the instructions to make sure that I install these correctly. So it says remove the scent capsules from the packet, take off the metal foil and don't puncture the clear membrane. Place the scent capsules in the diffuser. Using the metal clip, insert the diffuser into your car air vent. Then open the switch and turn on your car fans to enjoy the fresh scent. So let's have a look, see how easy the foil is to take off the back. Oh, foil is very easy to remove. These scent pods are designed to last 60 days. That is something obviously that we can test out over time. Obviously after 60 days if they're still working. Yep, those tabs I believe need taking off. So there's me saying it's simple to install these and I got it wrong. Obviously when you're installing these you just want them to sit nicely into the hole, don't puncture the back, and obviously with those tabs off the magnets hold back on nicely. So the switch bit is at the bottom, so that is closed. I'm guessing you'll still get a small amount of fragrance coming out. And when you open it like that and have your vents running and have that clipped on your vent, which is a nice strong metal clip, then obviously you're going to get some nice scents coming through. So let's get it in the car and see how it works. Right, here we are in my personal car, a 2016 Mercedes GLE. Now up until recently I've been using cheap single-use air fresheners. They get the job done kind of, but I've always liked the idea of something more premium and longer lasting, and something that I don't have to constantly replace. I'm forever using magic trees, which they're not allowed to be called magic trees these days, I don't believe. They have another name because they're not magic apparently. I love the scents from them. I love strawberry and things like that. But you put them in the car, they only last for a day, maybe 2 days, and then the scent practically, it more or less disappears. So I literally go through 2 or 3 a week. So when SMUL reached out and offered to send me their luxury car diffuser, which they claim to last 60 days on a single set of scent pods, I was like, I'm definitely going to give this a try. I've gone with a cherry scent because I've always preferred a fruity fragrance over anything else, and this one seemed perfect for me. So let's see how it fits. The metal clip does go on nice and easy, and you push it in and it actually fits on my vent like it was meant to be there, like it was designed for it. It's a nice tight fit. Just try and show you, it does fit nice and flush. It looks fairly factory. If you didn't know it wasn't supposed to be there, then you may think it's something factory. You have got a nice smell of cherry, which is the fragrance we've chosen, and it's in the background, and that's just with it in the car, without the engine running, without any fans running. So even without the airflow, without the engine running, you can catch a subtle cherry scent in the background. It's not overpowering, just a gentle presence. But as soon as you start the engine and we get the fans going, the fragrance really begins to fill the cabin with a clean, fresh and noticeably uplifting scent. Obviously you pick the scent that's the favourite one for yourself, but the cherry is good for me. As I say, I love fruity fragrances over anything else. I'm hoping that they release some more fruity fragrances. I will keep purchasing these. I know I've only fitted it in the car now, so I haven't used it over a long period of time, but I can already tell this is going to be the air freshener for me going forward. It's subtle, it's not overpowering, the fragrance is nice and strong so you can smell it, it makes the car smell nice, but it isn't overpowering like you throw away air fresheners, your single use ones, They tend to be really strong initially, and then after a day or two there's nothing really there and they just disappear and you end up having to replace them. So you kind of have 100% fragrance and then after a day or two 10%. The way I'd describe the SMUL one, the SMUL diffuser, is just with the car off and the fragrance in from no kind of fan work, you've probably got about 10% smell there. And with the fans running, I can smell the cherry, and I'd say you've probably got about a 70% smell there. So it's not as strong and overpowering as your throwaway air fresheners, but it will give you a more consistent, longer lasting fragrance, which is exactly what I've been looking for forever basically, for my car. So I can't wait to see how this goes over the next 60 days and see if the cherry does last that length of time. With the engine running and the fan set to medium, the scent is really starting to fill the cabin nicely. What I like most is it's not overpowering, unlike the single-use air fresheners that hit hard at first and then fade away completely within a few hours. They go from hero to zero pretty quickly. The SMUL diffuser on the other hand delivers a consistent, subtle cherry scent, which by the way is my personal favourite from the set, and if it does really last the full 60 days as claimed, or even close to that, then I think it's safe to say I'm onto a winner. We've got a special link in the description that gives all our viewers an exclusive 10% discount on the SMUL diffuser starter kit. Right now the starter kit retails at £19 and the scent refills are £7, which might sound like a lot for an air freshener at first, but here's the thing. You get 3 scent pods included in the starter pack, giving you up to 180 days of fragrance. That's seriously good value when you compare it to the single-use air fresheners I've been going through. I was easily getting through 3 a week. To put it into perspective, I've been spending around £6 a week on throwaway fresheners. With SMUL, you're getting up to 60 days for just £7. It's around 12p a day, compared to 85p a day with something like Little Trees, what I've been using. Plus, there's an extra 15% off included with the starter kit for your next order to save even more on your refills. And most importantly, this premium SMUL diffuser offers a more consistent balanced scent across the full 60-day period. No harsh bursts, no quick fade outs, just steady, subtle freshness. So the big question is, do I recommend the SMUL Premium Scent Diffuser? Absolutely 100%, as long as it delivers anywhere close to the 60-day lifespan and the combination of quality value and consistent freshness is genuinely impressive. It's a premium product that actually feels premium, and if you're tired of constantly replacing single-use air fresheners, this could be a serious upgrade for your car. If you've enjoyed this review video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out and keeps the content coming. This channel is a one-man operation. It's just me, both behind and in front of the camera, so every bit of support means a lot. We're hoping to bring you more sponsored reviews in the future, and it's always a bonus when we genuinely like the product we're showcasing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.